Here's how to reset your Verizon remote in under a minute. Step 1. Locate the model number on the back or inside the battery compartment. Step 2. Remove the batteries and wait 10 seconds to power cycle the remote. Step 3. Insert fresh batteries, matching the polarity markings exactly. Step 4. Press and hold mute and OK together for 3 seconds until the LED blinks. Next, press and hold voice and setup to initiate repairing with your set-top box. Confirm pairing when you see an on-screen message or a steady LED, then test volume and guide. If pairing fails, open the My Verizon app or go to your set-top box settings to repair. For some models, enter the factory reset code 981 or follow the model-specific overlay instructions. Quick tips: replace batteries, remove nearby wireless interference, and restart your set-top box. Contact Verizon support if the remote still won't pair after these steps and model resets. That's it, reset complete. Subscribe for 2025 remote tips and save this guide for later.